Area hello now. They welcome to football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see him. Everton won and Manchester United 2. And we get Oga Shooks. We'll be like saying a very ogbonge Man U fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Shooks, now how you see Man U performance for this match?
Well, they try for the match. At least the team better pass the past games. At least we see changes. At least Casemiro do things when we say McTominay do. The passes were accurate and the goal, especially the goal from Ronaldo, now superb. At least as Ronaldo scored, the thing sweet me for body well. Every stew. Well, now person will get determination, and one team say not be just to score goals. Many players they went there before him, they not score him. He just they determined to the break record, and after this one, I still believe say he go score more goals to break more record. Now his name be that record breaker. No wahala for that one.
So, Oga Shooks, I want to ask you, this argument, they come every time when they watch ball like this. Cristiano Ronaldo today, 700 goals. But for you now as a football fan, Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi, which now will be the greatest player to you?
Well, concerning the two, there be two different players. Cristiano Ronaldo na winger. He can't play enter forward. The first is just enter forward last. And to me, I will say Ronaldo because he don't prove himself for different leagues. This is not the first time when you say Messi, they get challenged from somewhere else. He only life na Baka, but Messi na good player. But Ronaldo na person who strive to be the best. Messi job like say they born out with football. But I'll take Ronaldo.
You take Ronaldo?
I'll take Ronaldo.
Based on Man U fan too?
Not be based on Man U fan, based on say in try for himself. He try for himself.
So Messi not try?
Messi try to an extent based on now only two clubs he don't do. Ronaldo come up for England as highest goal scorer. Go Spain highest goal scorer. Go Italy highest goal scorer. He still come back, still they try. So he does still prove himself.
Okay.
Messi struggled last season now. For the first time, when now they try come up. So I take Ronaldo because he don't prove himself for different places.
Now, which player be your man of the match for Manchester United?
I'll pick Anthony because Anthony just there everywhere. Especially he go na a very superb goal. A goal when he say the sweet person for Bele. Not be waiting everybody if he both say if he just do. But he specialized for that kind of thing. So I'll pick Anthony as my man of the match.
So you don't pick Anthony now, saying I be your man of the match. Anthony, 100 million signing from Ajax Amsterdam. What do you get to talk about? What do you don't see from this player so far? Because when they sign this player, some Man U fans talk say, the money too big. Some other football fans talk and say, but like I said, they don't play Man U small wayo for this signing. But with what you see from Anthony so far, you think say in what that 100 million where they use sign now?
Well, although say Man U, na desperation made them fit sign am that kind of amount. But the boy get more things to offer. Now still small boy, 22 years. He still get time to mature, he still get time to still play more football. Not be just like this Liverpool player who go one sign, Darwin Ness, when they sign 100 million. That one does still the old small. But Anthony, at least the thing still go one kind. Still they young, he go still grow, he go mature. And according to him, he say they learn a lot from Ronaldo, which means they try feel into Ronaldo place. So the guy, to me, what him because at least room for improvement there, not be static thing. Now change be the constant thing for life. Now so it just be for him.
Okay, make I ask you about one player now. This player now, he play for Everton today. Now our own brother, our own Niger brother, our own Super Eagles of Niger player, Alex Iwobi. What do you get to talk about Alex Iwobi performance for this match, and what do you see from Alex Iwobi so far this season?
Well, Alex Iwobi, now just luck say in other place when you say they appreciate him more. But with what I see today and what I don't see this season, the guy they play ball. He just like say up his game and Lampard sabi use and where. Because the last coach na bench, he career. And he needs play game, make people they still they see him. So the thing now, Alex will be up his game because for the match today, he na just big trouble to Man U defense. He worry everywhere. Right, he did there, left, he did there, middle, he did there. All the crosses now in they bring him. So He try. If I will pick man of the match for Everton, I'll pick Alessi Iwobi because he's just there everywhere.
No be lie. So, but make I ask you now, before I let you go now, Oga Shooks, with what you see from Manchester United so far this season, now, what you go predict, say, which position man you go finish by the end of the season? Which position you predict?
Well, concerning the position, I'll say we'll do the top 4 because presently now, one of our biggest problems is striker. We not get good finisher. Ronaldo, when they rely on, he don't the age. 38 years old man, not be small picking. So, if he gets the right striker, a very good striker, it will help them more to bank more goals and to climb up. But for now, I'll say Man U go there top 4. Champions League, Man U go. Now, what I just believe.